Vehicle number 1. The 1931 Ford Model A Coupe. Priced $29,500. This 1932 Ford features a fiberglass body and comes with a clean title. Power is provided by a 350 engine paired with automatic transmission. According to the seller, nearly all components are new, and the car does run and drive, but the build is still in progress. Remaining work includes body paint, installation of body mounts, which are included, tuning the dual carburetors, and finalizing the brakes and interior. The seller notes they have all the parts to complete the project, but have lost interest. The car is being sold as is, and the final interior will be up to the buyer's vision. Asking $285 or best reasonable offer. Seller may consider trades for a 66 Chevelle or a solid 69 C10 located in New York Belmore. Vehicle number 2. The 1934 Ford 3-window coupe. Priced $30,000. This 1934 Ford features a fiberglass body mounted on a TCI frame. It's powered by a recently rebuilt Chevy 350 small block paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, though the current transmission is reported to slip in fourth gear. A newly rebuilt replacement 700R4 is included in the sale. The rear end is a new Ford 9 inches unit by Moser with 3.50 gears. The car also features power disc brakes up front, rear drum brakes, and power steering. It runs a tunnel ram setup with sniper fuel injection and an updated serpentine system with aluminum pulleys. Suicide doors are also installed. The seller notes that there's more done than can be listed, but is selling due to health reasons. Located in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Vehicle number 3. The 1930 Plymouth Coupe. Priced $37,000. This 1930 Plymouth is powered by a late model 392 Hemi V8 engine. According to the seller, it's equipped with an automatic transmission, modern disc brakes, and updated creature comforts, including air conditioning and heat. The car is finished in a bright orange exterior with a tan interior. Located in Fairborn, Ohio. Vehicle number 4. The 1935 Ford Coupe. Priced $30,000. Heat. According to the seller, this 1935 Ford is a vintage-style hot rod with a mostly steel body. Only the rear fenders are fiberglass. Under the hood is a small block Chevy V8 with a cutout hood for the breather. As the seller notes, the car features a 4-speed transmission and retains much of its old-school build style. Finished in green with a black interior. The car has had 2 owners and reportedly spent time in California. It's being sold as is, with no trades considered. Located in King George, Virginia. Vehicle number 5. The 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. Price $9,000. This 1939 Chevrolet is powered by a 427 fitted with Winters casting aluminum heads and a 671 blower. The engine is set up to run on 91-octane pump gas, and the seller states the car can be driven anywhere. As the seller notes, the body wears a 2-tone red and silver exterior, while the interior is finished in gray. Clean title in hand. Located in New York, America. Sericat. Vehicle number 6. The 1927 Ford Roadster. Price $24,500. I just got it out of the garage. It's not the cleanest in the world. See if you can see the trunk, it's filthy. Actually, I knocked some spider webs off of it. Had driven it and bottom up. Crank it up. According to the seller, this 1927 Roadster features a steel body and is powered by a 350 small block paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The seller notes recent updates, including new suspension bushings, a replacement steering sector shaft, and steering column. A trailer hitch is also fitted. As the seller states, this Ford is very dependable and a blast to drive. Located in Hardeeville, South Carolina. Vehicle number 7. The 1930 Ford Model A. priced at $24,500. According to the seller, this 1930 Ford is powered by a 454 big blockboard 0.030 over. It's paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a 2,400 RPM stall converter. The car has power disc brakes up front, but no power steering. The seller estimates around 1,800 miles since completion. Condition is noted as excellent, and it carries a clean South Carolina title. As the seller notes, the vehicle is ready to drive anywhere. No trades. Located in Aiken, South Carolina. Vehicle number 8. The 1936 Plymouth P2 Business Coupe. Priced $18,500. This 1936 Plymouth is equipped with a 354 Hemi engine rebuilt roughly 8 years ago and fitted with Arias 392 Hemi pistons. It uses a hot heads adapter to pair the engine with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The engine setup includes a high-rise intake, 750 Demon carburetor, and MSD distributor. Heads were updated with 392 Hemi stainless steel valves, bronze guides, and hardened valve seats. The front end is from a 70 Nova, and the rear houses a Mopar 3.90 Positrack differential. Braking is via power front discs, though the vacuum assist may need attention. The electrical system has been converted to 12 volts. Paint is about 12 years old and showing some cracking. Clear Ohio title offered as is at $18.5K or best offer. No trades. Located in Belleville, Ohio. Vehicle number 9. The 1929 Ford Tudor. Priced $22,000. This 1929 Ford features a small block Chevy 350 engine with a big cam, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The engine setup includes dual Demon carburetors on a high-rise intake, Flowtech performance heads, and a 4-pipe 3 inches exhaust system. The body is steel, while the fenders and running boards are fiberglass. It rides on dual 7.5-gallon saddle fuel tanks and features tombstone-style tail lights. The interior is equipped with a large sound system, including an amp, CD player, and built-in radio. As the seller notes, all glass is intact with roll-up side and rear windows. Finished in black inside and out. The car is said to run and drive well. Trades are considered. Located in Livonia, Michigan. Vehicle number 10. The 1953 Buick Super 8. Priced $21,500. This 1953 Buick has been upgraded with a 350 engine and transmission paired with a Chevy rear end mounted on a 4-link setup. The car features Willwood disc brakes and a 4-corner air ride system with remote control and twin air compressors. According to the seller, one of the standout features of this car is the flamethrower setup. The car's exterior is in solid condition, with the chrome reportedly in great shape. The interior is equipped with heat and wipers but lacks air conditioning. The car is described as an absolute blast to cruise in, offering both style and dependability for long drives. Located in Jonesboro, Tennessee. Vehicle number 11. The 1941 Ford Super Deluxe. Price $21,500. Heat. This 1941 Ford Super Deluxe is powered by a 355 small block engine with a tunnel ram and 2 new 450 CFM quick fuel technology carbs. It also features an MSD Pro billet distributor and a digital 6A box. The 461 camel hump heads are ported and use roller rockers. The car is equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension with power rack and pinion steering, drilled and slotted front disc brakes, and a polished aluminum radiator with dual fans. It also has vintage air. The rear end is a narrowed 9 inches with a 2.61 gear ratio, which, as the seller notes, helps it cruise smoothly at 75 miles per hour with 2,150 RPM. The turbo 350 transmission is matched to ladder bars and coilovers. The rear tires are 31 by 18.5 Hoosier Pro Street radials with Weld Racing ProStars on all four wheels. The interior includes leather seats, a tilt steering column, and a back seat. There are electric door poppers and a shaved rear trunk handle. Gauges are autometer. The car has a locker shifter. Paint has some scratches, and the right front fender was repainted by someone in the past but doesn't match perfectly. Overall, the car is still in good condition. The seller is looking to sell this vehicle to get another one they used to own. Located in New Haven County, Connecticut. Vehicle number 12. The 1951 Mercury Coupe. Priced $25,000. Heat, 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 heat. 30 seconds. Headlight, dimmer switch, heater control. Still a little cold, but I don't know. This 1951 Mercury features a 351 engine with a mild cam and is paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. It has a full custom upholstery job and audio system, originally designed as an audio car in the early 90s. According to the seller, the vehicle is in excellent condition for an older restoration and is described as ready to start up and drive anywhere. The exterior is finished in a two-tone black and blue paint, while the interior matches with black and blue upholstery. The seller is asking $25,000 or is open to trades. Located in Milan, Georgia. Vehicle number 13. The 1929 Ford Model A. Priced $16,000. Alright, this is a completely cold start. Water temp is 0. According to the seller, this custom 1931 Ford Woody has been fully built in 2008 with only 26,300 miles since the build. It's powered by a 305 high-output V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. As the seller notes, the car is a rust-free classic, featuring white oak panels with mahogany trim. Equipped with vintage air AC, power windows, and disc front brakes with drum rears. It also boasts a drop axle, 4-link rear suspension with coilovers, and a steel body with fiberglass fenders. The engine bay is dressed up for a clean appearance, and it comes with LED headlights and electric door poppers. According to the seller, the car runs and drives great and is ready for the road. Nothing needs to be done. Located in New Jersey, AS.